Today we are not working on the caddy. We are working on my other car that people may have seen in the background of videos. And yes, it is, can anyone guess? Hey? Betsy! So we're working on Betsy, which is my Ford Fiesta Z-Tech S with, I must say, some very cool, air fresheners, just before we start the video. Oh no, it's too soon, man, too soon. Bam! Without an alibi, it's a reckless fight without an alibi. So this is part of my short series. If you don't know who I am the Mechanical Wizard. Hello. And this is basically just like a how-to tips and tricks series. And to start it off with, we have what is underneath Betsy's bonnet, or your car, but my car is called Betsy, and she is a lovely Fiesta. All right, anyway, expansion bottle, coolant stays in, rather simple. Minimum and maximum, your coolant is your coolant, what keeps your car running at its best temperature. It also stops it from freezing up. And it goes to your heater matrix, this is a bit technical, so that'd be another video. But when your coolant gets hot, that's how you get hot air. That's why when you run your car and you put hot air on, you will not get hot air until it's warmed up. Then you've got your brake fluid bottle with your minimum and maximum on there. It says max and minimum. That is for your brake pads. And how that works is you have your piston in your caliper. When you push your foot on the brake or press your foot on the brake, the piston comes out by the fluid, and then that pushes on the pads that push on the disc. So unless you've got a leak, like 99% of the time, if that goes down, that means that your pads are low, or your drums, depending what you have on your car. Now this is basically very similar on all cars, but they might just be in different places and the bottles might be a different shape, but you always have the same logo. Here we have your filler cap for your oil. So when you want to top it up, you just put your oil in there. Castrol, by the way, is the best. Well, very expensive, but it's really good. That is your screw wash bottle. Fill it up to the top. That's perfect. Obviously you've got your battery, air box, fuel filter, and then you've got your dipstick, which is your oil on it. You should always do it where underneath that little arrow, because oil expands. So what you do is you'd wipe this off, put it back in, take it out and check it. And really, unless your car is burning oil or you've got a leak, then you don't need to do that. I hope you have enjoyed this very quick video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Hey, det var bara så snälla, det stod like that.